There are a few left in stock. I'm gonna start crying. Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing a shop with me vlog. I did some of these whenever I was shopping for my apartment, like just getting the home essentials and everything. I'm just running some errands today. I'm going to Target and Home Goods, and in a few days I'm going to be going to Ikea. I just thought I would do a home shop with me vlog. So I'm basically going to be shopping for just like some home decor for my apartment. I still have a few things I want to finish up. I just thought it would be fun to do a home shop with me vlog. I know I love watching Target shopping vlogs, so I just thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with as I shop. Here in a few days I'll just do a haul of everything that I find. I do have some things that I've bought from Home Goods and Target over the last kind of few weeks that I've kind of collected, so I was going to do a collective haul that will be up a few days after this shopping vlog, so just watch out for that to see the actual haul. Is my lip bleeding? I'm actually filming my outfits of the week, so you guys will see this outfit in that video. Real quick, I'll just show you guys. This is my outfit. I just have this beanie from Princess Polly, sweatshirt from Brandy Melville, mock neck from H&M. The jeans are from Abercrombie, and then I just have Nike Air Force One, and then this bag from Princess Polly. So I'll link below the outfit details if you guys are curious. Definitely gonna get a coffee before I get started. I'm just gonna get an iced latte from Starbucks, add 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce, and also add the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Maybe I'll even treat myself to venti because it is double star day. I'm just gonna get a Starbucks real quick and then we'll get started on the shopping. I got my Starbucks. It's so good. It's definitely my go-to drink. I ended up going with the venti. So I got my Starbucks and now I'm gonna head to Target. Okay, so I went in Home Goods. There wasn't honestly much in there. To Home Goods and Target. Honestly, I did not find much at Home Goods, but I didn't really need anything, so that's fine. I was just kind of browsing, just seeing if I found anything that caught my eye. The last couple times I went to Home Goods, I didn't really need anything, but I found like all these amazing and great things for my Ikea shelf. Thought I would go to Home Goods. Then I went to Target and I found a bunch of cute spring decor, a bunch of cute spring decorations in the magnolia section. Of course, you'll be seeing what I picked up in a couple days for the haul, so make sure to check back for that. Turn on my notification bell if you don't have it turned on already, so you can be notified when the haul goes up, as well as my other uploads, because I've been posting 3 times a week. I totally forgot, I did a vlog another day in Target. This was like right after Christmas, and I was gonna vlog this day. Literally didn't end up doing anything the rest of the day, so I didn't really do anything with this vlog footage. I'm gonna insert some random vlog footage from Target. By the way, I'm not driving, so if you're wondering, I'm not driving. I went shopping with my mom. She's driving, so I can vlog. I have some vlog footage from Target from like a couple weeks ago. I'll just go ahead and insert this here because I got a bunch of really good things this day. Here's some archived vlog footage. vlog footage from Target from a couple weeks ago. I just thought I'd include this in here because I got my work bag this day and I've been using that little bag so much to put my laptop in and like all of my stationery. I love having everything in one place, so I've been loving that work bag. There's a bunch of good things at the Target, at the dollar spot this day, like a bunch of good like New Year stationery. Anyways, there's just a lot of good finds this day at Target, so I thought I would include that. Anyways, I think that is all for today, so I will just check in with you guys probably here in a few days when I go to Ikea. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Definitely comment down below some of your favorite places to shop, especially when it comes to home and home decorations. Ikea and Target are my favorites. Anyways, I will see you guys in a few days. So it's a few days later and today I'm just going to Ikea. You guys know Ikea is like literally my favorite place on the earth, so I am excited. I might be getting this really big mirror for my living room. I have this like kind of awkward empty spot between kind of like my kitchen and my living room, and I thought just like a big mirror would look nice there, especially like for vlogging and outfit pictures, and I think it would just fill the space perfectly. There's a couple good ones that I've seen before at Ikea, kind of like the one I have in my room if you guys have seen it, but a bigger version. I think it's called the Hobbit mirror. I'm just gonna like browse in Ikea, and I might do like a little mini shop with me on my Instagram, like just taking pictures of things that I think are cute and putting them on my story. So follow me on Instagram if you're not already at emilygrace.26. Now we are off to Ikea. We're at Ikea. I've been needing one of these to put like bags and stuff in. Do you guys, I'm gonna start crying. It's so sad. I'm singing underneath the mask. This is Louis. Took a smear selfie with this setup, and I feel like it's like that TikTok that's like they're not gonna know, they're not gonna know, they're gonna know. So this is the mirror that I'm thinking of getting to put in my living room. I think it'll look super cute. Guys, look what they have, a fake version of this, which is what I need because I killed mine. And we have arrived to the warehouse portion. It says that there are a few left in stock of the mirror, so fingers crossed that it's here. I have had bad luck in the past with things being in stock, especially mirrors. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're in luck. The mirror is in stock.
Measured?
Oh, I didn't measure.
Seriously?
I really didn't measure. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's literally gigantic. I did not measure the spot I was gonna put it in because I just didn't think about it. I'm gonna take a couple pictures here in the warehouse. Found a bunch of random things as always and got what I came here for. I just got done at Ikea. I got the big mirror for my living room, which I'm really excited to see what it looks like and take more outfit pictures. I feel like it'll fill the space nicely. Anyways, got that mirror, and then I got some other random things. I'll be showing you what I got in my haul. I'm gonna be doing a home collective home haul, and that's gonna be my next video. Just stay tuned, that'll be up in a couple days. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever that video goes up. Follow my Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment below where your favorite places to shop are that are like home related. But I think that might be everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed and you'd like to see some more shop with me vlogs like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.